Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over the Milwaukee M18 Packout Light/Charger. This is model number 235720, and again, it's Packout compatible, so it'll clip right onto your Packout stuff. We're gonna go ahead and pop it open here. It has lights that range from 1,000 to 3,000 lumens, and then also is a charger, as mentioned. What feels better than opening a new Milwaukee tool like this? I don't think very much. Get rid of the cardboard, because who needs cardboard? Alright guys, so we have one light, rotates, two lights, this one's quite a bit bigger, rotates again, and a third light here, same thing with that guy, it rotates. You also have a compartment over here. One of them is going to be to plug in a plug for your charger. Other one is going to be a USB connection, and then a plug for that, or a button to turn that on and off as well. Close that guy. On the flip side here, we have both your buttons for power, light settings, and a mode. And then you also have a compartment for your battery to go in. And then you've got your Packout clips here, and a handle as well right there. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so we are going to go ahead and throw a battery in this guy. Move all this garbage out of our way. By the way guys, we are giving away this entire M18 kit. Brushless drill driver, 280120, 2.0 battery, a charger, and a bag, completely free to a subscriber at the end of February. So if you haven't, I would subscribe. And that being said, I'm going to go ahead and drop this in here. And without blinding you guys, holy moly, turn the mode down. Let's do that. There we go. And you can see there's different settings. It'll also alternate through the lights on the modes. And then it has settings for brightness as well. So, really, really cool, guys. That is the M18 Packout. Oh, how could I forget? I almost forgot to show you guys the charger port. So, we're going to go ahead and plug in the charger here. And here we have an indicator for our battery, that it's charging, full, etc., etc. It's off, and there's the indicator for you. So, that, guys, is the Milwaukee Packout Light Charger. Awesome tool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If anybody has any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Video ideas, please. We're looking for them. We super appreciate everybody's support, and if anybody has any ideas or anything, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you in our next video. Thanks, everybody. Take care.